Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this yummy vegetarian lasagna. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is boil your lasagna noodles. Next, I'm going to have my peppers sauteing while I grease my pan. So I'm using a Pyrex dish, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour some olive oil in there and spread it all towards the bottom. Now that my peppers have been sauteing for a couple of minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my veggie crumblers. So I'm going to let that all cook together. After the veggie crumblers have been cooking with the peppers, I'm going to go ahead and add some marinara sauce. The next thing you want to do is add about 2 tablespoons of sugar to your sauce. I'm going to begin to lay my lasagna noodles at the bottom of my pan so that I can begin the layering process. I'm adding ricotta cheese first directly on top of the noodles, and then I'm going to go right in with my pasta sauce. So after I add a layer of sauce, I'm going to go right in with my mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses, and I'm just going to make sure everything is evenly spread throughout the bottom of the pan. The next thing you're going to see me do is start on the second layer. So I'm just going to lay my noodles down and repeat the same process as before with the ricotta cheese, the sauce, and then the Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses. So really super simple, guys. Just doing the same thing over and over again. Alright guys, once you get to the last layer, the only thing that I'm going to be using is sauce. So I poured some sauce into my pan. I added salt, pepper, some parsley, and I also added a tiny bit of sugar. And now what I'm going to do is layer the top with just sauce. This just helps with the look of things, really just helps it look a little bit better than to have the meat and cheese just stuffed on the top. So I just layer on a little bit of sauce, and then you'll see me add the cheeses shortly, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven on 375 for about 15 minutes. As you can see, I'm going to sprinkle a bit of parsley on top before I add my cheeses. And there you have it, guys, vegetable lasagna or vegetarian lasagna. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.